So today we're going out to the Paria. It's an old town site in southern Utah on our way to like Lake Powell. We're going to be lifting up an Archway for a little campground and I think there's actually a cafe there, I'm not sure. This Archway is different than most that I do in the fact that it's square instead of round. So square ones go together way much easier than round ones because all I have to do is make a square notch, put the bands on there, and we're off to the races. I mean, they go way better. We're just getting ready to load up. I got to get the auger. I already put the 2-foot auger in the truck. I'm going to grab this auger. All the beams are already there. Oh, I forgot the sign. Got to go back to Tim's and grab the sign because we're putting the sign on it today too. That's way easier than pulling the ramps. Those ramps are heavy. Yep, let's go grab the sign. I drove right past it this morning. Okay, we're here to get the sign. He's got it all set out for me. Wow, that's cool. These will go on the soldiers on the side. MacGyver it on here. So what do you think of this program, Wyatt?
This is interesting.
I'm just going to screw that puppy down in a few places. I don't think that's going anywhere. We just stopped at Kanab, got a little breakfast. Now we're headed east of Kanab on 89, Highway 89. Towards Paria. We're probably 30-40 minutes away, and once we get through this little subdivision here in Johnson Canyon, there's just a whole lot of nothing. We are here. Looks like we're pulling ramps.
I don't think we've met formally.
No. So where's it going? This dirt looks pretty dry. Looks drier than a popcorn fart. Let's see how she digs. Those holes, that's way softer than I thought it was going to be.
It's all sand and clay.
Yeah, the top was kind of crusty, but with all the moisture that we've had this year. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, we're going to notch the top 18-foot center, and then the post, that will dictate where these posts go. And once we square them, I mean, this is a no-brainer. I like these square ones way better than round. We want to keep that big crack down so you don't get moisture in it, because what happens when you have a crack up, it snows or rains, it gets in there, and then when it freezes, that's what causes everything to come apart. Okay, let's see if this old girl will start. Oh, here we go. Chainsaw Art 101. Like the other. We may as well cut our corbels while we're doing chainsaw massacre work. That one off a little. So what we're going to do here is we're going to get under that, lift it up flush. Dustin's going to ollie it together, then we'll get the band on there. And once it's secure, both sides, we're going to lift it up and put the bands on the underside. Well, when you push them together and you run a blade between them, they both mesh. Okay, so what we're going to do, Dustin, is I'm going to get in the sender. I'm going to lift it up, and you're going to have to find your 5-inch mark and do the same thing underneath, or the same thing we did on here.
So if it wasn't obvious already, the reach is here. This is cool. I've never seen one of these in person before. I had to come get it on video.
There's a lot of moving parts here, but
yeah.
they work good. How you related to Clayton?
I'm not related to him. Well, I don't think I'm related to him.
I like how you said that. You know who I am?
Think so.
Sandy Johnson.
Sandy Johnson. Heard your name. I don't know if I've met you before.
I've known Clayton forever. We was buddies when we were little kids.
Yeah, it seems like a lot of people around here with Clayton is he just knows everyone. What do you think of this?
Pretty cool. We've set quite a few of them for him over the time. Yeah. They're all a little bit different. They've all got their own unique personality. But I like this about as good as any of them with this name up on top.
Oh yeah, I think it looks great. It's the first square one I've seen him do.
Yeah, usually they're logs, so.
Yeah. What you guys thinking? You liking it?
Oh my gosh.
It looks super good.
Yeah. It's amazing.
We were talking about hanging the sign from chains, and I love the way it sits on top.
Yeah.
I mean, now people come off the road and they're not like searching for
Yeah, they just know right there. That's the way to
There we
go.
go. And it's
Beautiful thing about putting a soldier on a square one, you don't have to make them mesh. Pound on that as I bend it around. I like to do my banding thin enough that when I pound on it, it contours to the log. So Dustin's gonna beat on it while I put some pressure on it. Okay. I think we need a lag right there, don't we?
Right here in the middle somewhere?
Yep.
Like right there?
Just to hold it. Okay, throw that. Beat it like a redheaded stepchild.
Yeah.
Beat it like
he
it
was
owes you money.
white and he was my child.
Let's put one right in the center of that. Keep a hammering. Ow. Okay. Let's put one right there.
Do a little one first and then even go.
Golden spike
Okay.
ceremony, Jeff.
Dun, 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 dun.
Are you coming to watch this? Get the camera. Well, I have a camera. Okay, so.
You want us to film you with your
You're doing
camera?
it right.
We are. But
Hi! Yeah. Okay, ready? Do I push? Do I push
yeah,
it?
Yep.
it'll suck itself in there.
Oh, God.
I'll slow her down a little tighter. A
More?
little more, yeah. You got to suck her in there.
No, it's not going in.
Keep going.
Keep
It'll
going.
move.
Oh, yeah.
Keep going.
Oh, it's good sideways. Oh,
Almost there. Almost there.
good? More?
That's it.
That's
You
it.
sure?
Yep.
This was the beastliest
It is a beast.
one I've ever done.
So this job is a wrap. Just got to clean up.
And we're going home.
Yep. So appreciate you watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. We'll keep you updated.
Concrete board?
Till next time. So I did a little bit of this today. What do you think of that?